Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can essentially use CapCut PC. Super simple. If you want to import a video, just like import and select the video that you want to edit. For instance, like this video, just select it, double click it, and press open. And also you are going to select this video and add it to track if you want to edit that video. So here you can reverse the video, so you have to select the clip first though. You can select it, you can freeze frame it, you can mirror it, you can rotate it, you can also crop it, and you can split your clips here. But now CapCut actually has a way to split your clips into a lot of clips, so you can right click and select split scene if it's split into parts. But if not, then you can't really do that. Okay, you can also use this keyframe feature to zoom in and zoom out, so add a keyframe at the beginning. I usually select it for everything. And then kind of in the middle, I'm just going to zoom in to like show you guys. Like so. You can add in a text here, add in your default text, and type in the text as well. You can then add in the font. We'll select the font, just the font size, and also change the color as well. Like so. You can also choose from this bit right here, this like color wheel. Well, not color wheel, I don't know what it's called. But you can also like do that essentially. And then you can also add in a text effect to that. Like this one for instance. Or like this one, I don't know, whichever one you like the best. And you can also add in effects to your videos here. You can choose any effects you want. It's totally up to you. Like this halo blur one, and just press add it to it. You just add it here. Can I adjust the size of it? You can also adjust the strength here, as well as the speed. And then you can also add filters to your videos. You can add in video transitions as well. Just press the plus button to add them. And you can also color grade your video by going to adjustments either here or here. And you can even use LUTs. Just download the preset, you know. I have a video on that on this channel if you want to learn more about color grading, but here you can adjust the strength, etc., sharpen the video. And that's basically it, really. That's like a rough idea on how to like use CapCut. So yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!